Summers is all about a refreshing cold drink. So today we are making this very alluring and delicious drink called Mohabbat ka Sharbat. With a very attractive name, this is a popular dish coming from Old Delhi, usually made during Ramadan days, but you can even prepare this drink on these hot, humid summer days. So without further ado, let's quickly see how to prepare this recipe. And friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll cut watermelon. After that, we need to finely chop watermelon pieces. And this is how we'll chop watermelon into fine pieces. Just before using, ensure to remove the seeds. Next, in a bowl, we'll take 1 cup of milk. I have boiled and cooled this milk. The milk should be absolutely chilled. Into this, we'll add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And we'll add 2 tablespoons of Roohafza. You can even use rose syrup. Then, we'll whisk it well until the sugar dissolves. One can also boil milk with sugar and then cool it down completely. Then we'll add few ice cubes. And after that, we'll add our chopped watermelon pieces. We'll keep few, give a good stir. And we'll add few watermelon pieces on the top and just a little garnish. So you see, it is so quick to prepare, yet the outcome is so refreshing. I'm sure you're truly gonna love this pink colored drink. So do try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.